Okay, this is the guidance and the short tutorial for the website, especially for the WooCommerce section. So basically, as you can see from the backend, these are the major pages, and these are for the courses. And here is what we just created for the WooCommerce. So it has a shop, cart, checkout, and my account. Basically, I will show you all the functionalities inside of the WooCommerce. If you scroll down, there are three sections, basically three categories for WooCommerce. WooCommerce have home, orders, customer report, settings, status, and extension. These are status analytics and checking for the WooCommerce. And the second tab is products. So basically, you will add categorize tag and attributes for all the products you uploaded onto the website, which I will also introduce shortly. Analytics is showing you about everything like what's the kind of revenue generated, how many orders you have, and the taxations, coupons, especially if you want to share coupons, and also other settings here. So first and foremost, we will see the WooCommerce section. When we go into the WooCommerce section, we will have the interface like this. Basically, we haven't set up the Stripe or PayPal for you yet, so we have to set it up later. And also the shipping cost, I don't think that's involved with you because everything's supposed to be digital at the moment. But once you have something physically need to ship it out, you need to have the shipping cost as well. For other sales, you don't need to worry about this one here. Basically, this is status overview for what happened in your WooCommerce store. We have 12 visitors, which were me, and I downloaded 14 products of your digital things. So basically, I will show you how to upload it shortly. For orders, that's a really detailed oriented of what someone ordered and your total revenue and the status. So if there's a paid process, you need to approve the download or the product, and then it will automatically send an email to the client and say, hey, it's ready to download. For customers, it's just whomever fill out the information, maybe fake information because I use the fake information here, and it will show the username, what activity they did, and routers, etc. So there are a lot of data here, and you can also download as Excel sheet. For the report section, it's just tell you what kind of revenue generated, but right now they have a new version as it mentioned here in the analytics, so it's more detail oriented. For sightings, here is where we set up everything like the general. So basically, if you would like to fill out your address, you feel free, but if you can leave as blank. Postcode is the same. Sell location, right now I believe it's digital, so you can sell to all countries. And here's the shipping location. We don't have it right now. And tax, for these, we can just leave as is because we already set up for you. For the products, it show you where the shopping page, which already linked, and your weight unit will be kilogram. And if you want to change to gram, pound, ounce, you can feel free to change. But right now, I will keep it as kilogram because we sell everything digital. Here for everything, we already set it up. Inventory is something that you can have change, and also the low stock hold, usually it put as default. I didn't change anything here, but if you want to change, feel free to do it. For downloadable products, that's the key section you will use most of the time, which I already set for you. So we are using forced download because this will give you more secure ways of letting the client download things rather than whomever get the link can download. Approved download directory and advanced, you don't need to touch these sections at the moment. And if there's anything we need to do, we can do it later. For text, we only need to cover something by default. Standard rate, we don't need to worry about it because I set up Ontario is 13% tax. And if you want to do something, feel free to insert a row like CA, BC. I believe tax is around 15% or something like that. You can feel free to do that. And these are based on what the client filled out about their state, aka the province, and it will automatically generate a tax for you. But right now, since we just start up, I don't think there are any tax related, so we just leave as is. And I don't think we need to report tax unless you made revenue for more than a few $1,000. So I will just say leave as is. Reduce rates, zero rates, you don't need to worry about that. For shipping, I don't think you need to worry about it because right now you don't need to ship anything. Once we ship things, we can touch about these sections. These are also related to the shipping. You can do a flat rate, you can do based on the carrier or something like that. So shipping classes, these can also be determined if you have physical products in the future. So for payments, these are the default sections, and once we have the Stripe set up and PayPal set up, we can I can definitely add it up for you after that. And once we are ready, we can open these sections. But I don't think we have direct bank transfer, check payment, or cash on delivery. So basically, we use Visa, Mastercard, American Express through Stripe, or we use PayPal. Account and privacy. There are not a lot of things you need to touch. Everything has been set up and is all by default at the moment. For emails, these are the emails we need to change it later after I finish it up. So right now I set up new orders sent to me, cancel order sent to me, fill order sent to me. So once we got an email from, for example, someone ordered something, you will have an email sent to your email box saying something like, okay, this is someone is downloaded. Okay, let's see one, uh, something like this. Okay. I already changed that to a smaller version, I believe. Let's check this one. Okay, smaller version. And you have the order number, you have what they downloaded. This is me. I downloaded 11 copy of your ebooks because it's free right now. So, and then the building address basically is a fake one, and everything's here. And as a customer, by the way, if I download anything, I will receive something like that. Thanks for shopping with us. This is your logo. And hey, Terrence, we've been ordered from this place, and this is the place, the product you order, and this is the download link. And here are some summaries. So for tax or for other reason, some people need a receipt. This is the receipt. Okay, so I'm gonna change back to your email later, and please leave the rest as default. For integrations, right now I don't think we need to touch anything here because we don't have anything, and just leave as is. For advanced, okay, cart already set up the page. Checkout, we set up the page. My account, we set up page. So basically, you don't need to touch anything here. For the webhook, maybe we need to hook with PayPal later. So once we are ready, we can do that. And once you have the PayPal account and Stripe account set up, I will send you the tutorial from like a YouTube or whatsoever, and you can give me the link or API code or API key, so I can do it for you. Okay, so that's about WooCommerce section. And for analytics, Analytics is just a new section that WooCommerce created because I don't think they want to put everything all in one section, and it's kind of messy. I think that's why they decided to do another section. So basically, in analytics, you can see how many orders you have. Basically, it's just a static of what your sales. So everything like what you download, what's the time of download, and what they download, who download your stuff, everything here. And feel free to take a look, and I can walk you through a bunch of stuff. So, and after that, feel free to explore, but make sure you back up first, please. So basically, these are all my downloads. It will record it and see these are the downloads I downloaded today, and all the order numbers, paper, the person's name, and the customer type, whether I'm new or I'm returning because I use my Yahoo account, so it's considered another new. So there are download items numbers, and also whether we are using coupons or night sales. Var variations. So there's nothing being recorded here. Categories. So I set up only one category for you right now. It's called ebooks because it's for testing purposes. It's just categories. If you put certain stuff, which I will show you in another tutorial, video. So I will help you to build one product, and after you build a product, you can give it a category, you can give it a tag. So after that, and it will record it as categories. If you click, it will, I believe it will show you what kind of detailed categories of what books they download. For now, I upload 2 ebooks from your Sean Mayer's website. It's one home buyer, it's one for home seller, so it's just for testing purposes. Okay. And for coupon section, so basically this is what kind of coupon they use and how many times they used. Taxes, I don't think you need to cover this one at the moment because I only set up one and it's not there yet. For downloads, it will show you what download it is and how many downloads are there. For stock, this is checking how many stock you have, and I even create a fake SKU number so it will check everything for you. For settings, it's just telling you what kind of things you want to see inside of your analytics. So I will leave as is if I were you, so we can have something in default. There's one thing while I'm doing it, I need to find it out. Maybe I'll show you in another tutorial of how to do a coupon code. This is about this tutorial, and we can end up from here. So next tutorial, I'll show you how to build a project. I mean, sell a project.